play music so bad today, but I mean, it's Friday, right? Whatever. I guess we'll play music today. Or actually, no. I'm gonna play the 2 intro songs and then we'll play. Um, so like I'm trying to figure that out. I don't know yet. Like I don't want to make it so like like new people come to my website like what the fuck I gotta log in. But then again I also collect emails doing it. I don't know. I might just post as is. I don't really care about for emails. I know it's good for the business, but I mean I'll get emails regardless. And it's not like we're selling products or anything. Just on a course or signals on the website. So I don't really post anything on emails anyway. So like I don't know. I gotta figure that out, but that's nothing too complicated. But yeah, it'll be here somewhere. There'll be a link on this playbook website, and then there'll be like yeah, I'll set up after the stream or somewhere during the stream. I got you. House on the playbook, yes sir. Excited. Yo, shout out to Cake for putting my vision together because without Cake, I wouldn't have done it. Without him like commenting that one message in the YouTube, I wouldn't have done it without him. We wouldn't like be here because like it came out. It started off with the I'll show you guys. You know what? Yo, chat. I'm gonna talk about it after the stream. Okay, or sorry, after the analysis. Okay, let's just do a quick analysis first. Let me just get some music going, and then we'll figure out the rest. Sorry, going back to boring music. Yeah, but that first one was fire, right? That first one was by Fabio. It came out today. Pretty insane. Alicia Keys, Fabio, and Kanye and Cardi. That's a sick lineup. All right. So you have news today. Well, yesterday, sorry, you don't have news today. You have nothing going on today. You have no red folders going on. The next folder you have that's related to the US dollar or GJ is gonna be this USD folder at 10 a.m. All right, but that's gonna be at 10 a.m. And it's an orange folder. I've honestly never seen this folder before. I might be wrong. January 14. No, maybe I have, but I just don't really pay attention to it. It's an orange folder. Nothing too crazy. But looking at this, they're expecting to keep the numbers neutral. So if they keep the numbers neutral, then that should be good for the currency. But let's see what happens today. Gold is pretty bearish on the daily though. I will say that. All right, starting with GJ for the week. GJ for the week shows that we are bullish. All right, we came up this week, we tapped target for the week, and now we're just at the weekly resistance. It's very key today to wait for the day count closure because you don't know where price is gonna close yet. Price at any given point can just like close below like this resistance over here, right? Or it can close below this resistance to continue back down or something. But or to come back in this range here. However, if you had closure above, then there's a high chance that we're breaking above the range, because these wicks looking left there, we have never closed above before, right? So if you had closure above for today's candle, next week should be a very clean week, and then we should be able to continue up towards the, let's see, next week we'll be able to continue up towards like the 161.373 level next week. Because looking left is clean traffic, right? Looking left, obviously that's a pretty hefty level. The level is pretty far. It's pretty far. However, looking left, there is clean traffic until then. You're looking at this candle right here. We have clean traffic until this resistance here at 162, but that's next week. All right. But yeah, just because we're at resistance right now, it doesn't mean that we're gonna reject to continue down or anything. It just means that we're just at a resistance, and I mean, price can still push up today. Price can push up another 100 pips for all we know. Who knows, right? But again, follow the trend until it breaks. Don't try to be a hero. Don't try to catch a reversal here. Simply follow the trend until it breaks. So I'm bullish for the week. Daily, I am bullish as well. Daily didn't close exactly where I wanted price to close. It closed below this resistance here yesterday, a little below. Also, shout out to all the people who caught the buys yesterday for GJ after like the stream ended around like 10, 11ish. If you guys caught those buys, congrats. It was a nice one. It was a pretty late one though. Yeah, but going back to what I was saying, price didn't close below this resistance as I wanted. I really wanted a closure here. We didn't really get it. A closure above here would have indicated that we have clean traffic looking left to drive up towards the next resistance, which is up here at the 158.079 looking left. This is considered clean traffic here. So with that in the back of my mind, being bullish for a day, obviously I will be looking for buys today. Also, yeah, going back to this, I also noticed that we did close above the most recent resistance here, which is going to be around here, right? If you look left there was once a resistance here, resistance, and we got closure above, which indicates that we technically did break above the most recent resistance. But again, we're not entering off the daily, obviously we're entering off of the smaller time frame, and we gotta see how that forms there. I haven't looked at it yet, but what I can say is the 4 off the rip shows a lot here. It shows the onion here in a 4-hour time frame, right? So this looks like a setup that we took on Monday, I believe. Could trade on Monday to the onion or something, or Tuesday. But basically, you have support form here in a 4-hour candle. You have a resistance form there. This is the range that you're currently in. And if we're closing bullish at support, there's a high chance to drive up to retest the highs to fill the top of the range here, which is at like 158 here, right? So as long as you respect the previous candle low, which is this low right around here, price should be able to continue up for the rest of the range. So I would be expecting this 4-hour candle to drive up, especially if you break the 4-hour candle highs. If you break this high, expect this to drive up to retest the highs. Range going up for that 4-hour candle is going to be around like 46 pips. All right. Range going up for the daily candle is going to be around 72 pips. Okay. So if I'm looking for buys today on GJ, I want to see if we could. 1 hour has no top wick. Interesting. Okay, cool. So, well, you have a starter play here. Yeah. So I want to see because if this is your support level right around here, and we're starting to form a support around that area, and we're starting to respect that support, I believe once you break this high here, just a high chance you would drive up. Looking left, you have clean traffic afterwards to fill the ranges looking left, like 158, 157, 900ish, right? But I think it's best to wait for the 1 hour closure here. 1 hour candle closes in about 8 minutes here. I want to see how this 1 hour candle closes. If we close bearish but respecting the support, we make it a 1 hour starter play going up. We have buy stops above here, stop loss the current candle low, and TP will be wherever, here or here, right? But we have 8 minutes left to decide what we're gonna do with that. That's either we get a strong bullish closure or we get a bearish closure, respect the support for buy stops later. Gold for the week shows that we are bullish here. Gold for the week shows that we're bullish, and as long as you respect the previous candle low, this candle should drive up, which it did. Came up, tapped target, similar to GJ, tapped the target we had, tapped that resistance, and now it's starting to reject off of it, which doesn't mean it's gonna sell. It just means that there's a high chance that we might just continue down today for a bit, to continue up next week, because we need this bullish candle closure, or 2, we may just continue further up for a day. Who knows, right? But daily shows that we are bearish though. They closed bearish yesterday, but it's very key to understand that we closed bearish respecting the support here at the 1826 ish mark, right? So we close respecting that support, which doesn't indicate that we're gonna get that we're bullish. We're still bearish for today. It just indicates that we're at support. So there's a slight chance that price may just respect the support to maybe give us a daily starter play. I would love for that to happen. But other than that, I mean, I'll be fine for range two breakouts for buys. I wouldn't mind them at all. But yeah, daily technically bearish today. If I'm looking for sells for a day, I would probably want sells below the support right around here. If you get closure below 1821.762, I will look for sells coming down towards 1817.400ish or 1817 on dot, around those ranges there. Range going down is going to be around 44 pips on gold here, below that range. And then for range 2 breakouts for buys, if you want buys, you need a range 2 breakout, right? So that range 2 breakout looks like it's going to be, this is range 1 for me at least, or this might be range 1, this might be range 2. I'm gonna have this as range 1 actually. This is gonna be range 1, and range 2 would probably be, I mean, we don't know where yet because technically range 2 would be above here for now, right? Or above here for now, but we could create a new range right now. So this is your range 1, this is your support, this is your resistance here, this is a range that we're in. So if price ends up closing above the range now and continues up, I won't be in buys. I'll wait for a second range to be created. So maybe if price closes bearish after, respecting that support, this is technically a new range we're in, right? So then you can take buys once you close above the range, like this, to continue up to fill the top of the range, right? But this first initial closure of this candle, I'm just gonna look at this from a range 1 perspective here, and not taking any buys until we have a range 2. All right. But yeah, let's just mark that up for now. 1836 would be the buys for now. That's gonna change most likely because this is a huge range. From here to here is like 90 pips. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get a range 2 breakout eventually within these ranges. So don't get FOMO, chat. Wait for your setup. So I would want sells below here, closure, and then you want buys to be above here, closure, range 2 breakout. Perfect. All right. Yeah, chat. Sorry, I was reading something. Where I was looking for sells below here, right? No. What was I looking for on gold again? Or GJ? It was, oh yeah, buys above this range here. Yeah, because now look, this is a resistance formed now, so technically this is a new range formed. You want buys above here. You want to kind of stay out of this range here. Buys be above here, closure. All right, that's my analysis for a day. Pretty simple analysis. We know what we're looking for now. We have the setups in mind. We just need to wait for price to close in our favor and then take positions, right? Most likely here, chat, is when I might close below. So this is just gonna be, for me, gonna be considered one range here, and I just wait for a breakout above, a closure above on GJ here would take us up to the top of the range. Next resistance, which is gonna be around this area looking left there, all the way up here, top of that range, right? So expecting price to continue up today once you close above. That's the analysis. Yeah, my mind's just all over the place today. The playbook and a bunch of other stuff. It's nuts. How do you establish range 1? Is it the first range after reversal? Yeah, usually the first range after reversal is the range 1 breakout for me. So like, for instance, like what's a good example of that? Like here, for instance, right? Like let's say today we were bearish today. all right, on GJ, which we're not. But let's say we're bearish today. This would be my range 1. Right, the moment we start creating that support, range 1, resistance, first range 2. Range 2, buys would have been above here, going up. All right, the first initial range formed. Once you form that support and resistance, that equals a range. That's the first range formed. But chat, that only applies the whole range 1 and range 2 thing, which I will explain in the playbook. Wait, will I? Hold on, I don't think that's in the playbook. I think no, I don't think that's in the playbook. That's in the video. But that only applies whenever you're going against the bias for a day. That was the rule we set for ourselves, like maybe like mid last year, once we learn how to avoid fake outs. That was a rule that we applied to increase the chances of us avoiding fake outs. Make sense? Numbers. Yeah, G to the moon. Let's see, we need a breakout. Chat, going back to the playbook real quick. The playbook, it's coming out today. Where is it? Where did it go? Where'd my download file go? You know what? Here, where is it? What day is it today? The 11th? Where is that? No. Okay. This is the playbook. I'm gonna give you guys a quick, I'm not gonna show too much because you guys oh god damn.
No, just stop.
Damn, bro. You're a nuke. Yeah, this is the playbook. It's 43 pages. And this is I'll show you guys one page. This is just one page. This is just the beginning of it, explaining the start play, what it is, the setup, the entry, the stop loss, and then in the beginning of it we explained setup versus entry, right? So we explain the difference between that, and then explain the setup, entry, pictures, graphs, showing you guys what we mean. Yeah, and then it gets so like basically in the playbook. So this is like the original one, right? Like, where is it? This is the original one. This is the original one. This is the original playbook, right? This is the first idea we had. But pretty much in the playbook PDF, there will be a page for each setup here. So all these 9 setups here. There's 9 setups here, or 3 setups. 9 entries in total. We have a page describing each one. So that's what the playbook's for. Obviously, like after you read the playbook, this is just like a cheat sheet you have wherever you can print it out, make a post out of it. But basically, for those that are new here, these are all the trades we took within the last 2 years. Only these setups. I promise you. No other strategies. Like, nothing behind my trading strategy. It's all here. It's all in the playbook. And you can go back in the streams and watch our entries. Which, by the way, we found someone to calculate all the pips for us in 2021, all the wins, all the losses, and we're gonna put them into a spreadsheet, and we can check the stats from last year eventually. But all the trades we've been taking for the last 2 years are all these setups here. It started off simply with this breakout over the course of 2020, 2019-ish, and then we applied the fake outs last year once we learned how to kind of avoid them, or once we learn how to see them before they were to play out. And then the onion play is something we added last year. So this is all sample size on the streams, all taken on the streams, and over time this stuff will change. But yeah, this is it for now. And then I mean, this is the playbook, so you guys will have that probably by end of the day, maybe like end of the stream, around there. I just gotta make some minor adjustments, review it, and then got you guys. Yeah, it's free. There's no purchase. It's free. No purchase. It's free 99. Free 99. Cause like I make YouTube videos for it. Why not just put a playbook out? If you want a PDF, if you want like a book version, like a physical book, physical hard copy cover, then you're gonna have to pay for that. But that's different. And that I probably won't be making anything off of that, because like I don't know, like it's gonna be off of Amazon or something. So they're gonna take a huge chunk of my my whatever I sell it for. But yeah, you guys don't have that once we figure that out. But right now it's gonna be a PDF, and later on we'll announce like the actual physical copy for those that are interested. All right. Fact circle. Where could you find a PDF? It'll be on controlfx.com, the playbook section at the end of the day. All right, so don't trip. Is it free? Yeah, it's free. It's free, chat. It's all free. There's no there's nothing. There's no charge unless you want a physical copy, which is not out yet. Someone messaged me, it's like, I want playbook. Okay, brother. Like, someone messaged me on the Control FX website saying, I want playbook. Yeah, that physical copy is gonna be fire. It's on the website too? Yeah, it's on the website. The Excel sheet? Excel sheet is not, it's this page? Sorry, Excel sheet, just do exclamation point trades in the chat. Oh no, this is not it. That's the old version. That's the old version. Where is it? This is it right here. Just do exclamation point trades. The shoe will come up. Actually, gotta change this. This is 14, and then 19, 33, 14. Okay, cool. All right. It's all there. You guys have it all. All right. So this here, like this spreadsheet is connected to the playbook somehow, some way, because it shows the subtypes, which is on the playbook, and the entry types, the flip, which is all on the playbook, right? So everything we do is off the playbook. There's nothing different, and there's proof here that we take trades off of the playbook, plus the stream, plus the trades taken live, time on the stream, half or support. Like it's all here. Chat, there's nothing like we can hide, you know, at all. Yeah. Hey, let's have a good day today, chat. Let's have a good day. It's a Friday. We're 100% for the month. Which don't worry if you by the way, if you guys are undefeated for the month, don't feel too pressured. You know, like I think last year was when we went on like a huge winning streak, and I got a little pressured to take a loss. Because, you know, we're on a winning streak, and I didn't want to take a loss, but I knew it was coming eventually. Just treat every day the same, you know. That's my tip for you. Treat every day the same. Every day's a new day. Every trade's a new trading opportunity. Your trade you're going to take has nothing to do with your trade you took yesterday, the day prior. It's a completely new day. So, yeah. Now, do you ever think of the lives you changed? To be honest, I get a lot of messages about that. So, for sure. I do see it. I do think about it. Yo, Yo, by the way, we played intro music, so you can't say anything about that music. By the way, I changed my RAM speed, Where's my RAM speed? Okay. Told you. I knew how to fix it. Oh, where is it? Right here. Google Sheets of trades is not working? Really? Go on site. What's this? Oh no, that's commands. Where's the spreadsheet? It is on. Is it on? No, it's right here. It's right here. It's on February. Do exclamation point trades in the chat. It should pop up. Oh, we're breaking above it, guys. Guys, you want a 30 closure here. Maybe a 15. I gotta see how the 15 looks. 15 isn't bad. 15 isn't bad at all, actually, because you have a 15-minute candle. Our price has never closed above before. Rejections, rejections, rejections. So a 15-minute closure is going to be a first 15 that actually closes above. That's not bad. That's not bad for buyers. Especially since the forward kind of broke the highs. There's a very high chance this forward kind of drives up here, chat. Like we drew out earlier. Once we create a support here, this is being a resistance. It just indicates that we're in a range. So if we close bullish at support, very high chance this forward kind of drives up once it breaks the forward highs here. I just need a little cherry on top, which is gonna be the 15-minute candle in about 5 minutes here, and then I'll be in positions. All right, so that'll also be probably the current the previous 15-minute low. But yeah, we have a range of 47 pips left remaining in this forward candle. Looking clean, looking solid. Yeah, looking solid. Don't get FOMO here, okay? Wait for your closures. If you're taking impulse entries, they take them. If that follows your playbook, take them. But there's no impulse entries for me. We're 1 year free of impulse entries, chat. What about gold? Oh yeah, we're driving up here, chat. Don't get FOMO, okay? Stops right now are looking like it's gonna be around 20 pips. That's not bad. 20 pip stops for a TP of like 40 pips here, coming up towards 157. But wait for his 15. His 15 can still pull back, credit top, and all that good stuff. So you might have better stops once you actually close, okay? Once you actually close. And then next resistance, I'm looking at the 4 resistance. So it's gonna be around 157, 925 here. Let's just put up here for now. All right, it's gonna be around there. Clean, so clean. The 1 hour is clean too. Everything's clean. The 1 hour starter play just happened. Super clean. We just need a breakout. If you push up too high, I'm gonna need to wait for a steep wick here. Once you get a steep wick, I'll have a buy stop for buys to go up. If it's not a steep wick, then I may consider staying out. Gold just in the range here. I want to see if you can break out this range. You really want to break out that range. But I'll prefer a range to breakout. So we might break above the range and then create a new range, and then above that range is where I'll take my buy. So the gold is nowhere near ready for me to take an entry yet. GJ is the closest thing we have here. Setups. Thing we're looking for here is probably going to be the steeper wick down a breakout, because that's what the price is going to do probably on a 15-minute time frame or a 30-minute time frame. Once it gets the candle here, closes above, we should be good for entries. How you guys doing today? You guys feeling good today? I feel like I didn't get to talk to you guys today. The special ideas fire. Yeah, shout out to Reza. Shout out to Reza. It was my idea, but Reza just kinda took off with it. Reza and MM, shout out to them. Where can I get the playbook? You get it today on my website. I'll not follow my Instagram, chat. If you guys haven't followed my IG, follow my IG. This is where I make all my announcements. Follow this page if you guys want updates and all that good stuff. Okay. I'll update you guys today. Gold on flipping 2. Yeah. Yo, M, is this your range to breakout? Or yeah, is this your range to breakout? I guess some people have range to breakouts here. Support resistance. This is range 1 and this is range 2 above here for buys. I'm gonna hold out this range here. I'm just gonna consider this one range. Right now, range 2 looking like it's gonna be around like these areas above here, or maybe above here. I gotta see. Okay, 2 minutes for a 15 closure here. Okay. That's a solid starter play there. Yeah, chat, I did mention that I might have attempted a starter play if we were to close respecting the support, but this previous 1 hour candle closed below the range here, so was that enough for me to enter a starter play? I lost 30% of my balance on yesterday's CPI news. Really? You weren't on a stream then. If you were on a stream, you would have made a solid percentage. By the way, I gotta take that that trade from yesterday out. That was yesterday's trade, not today's trade. 14 pips on gold. How'd you lose 30%? I know gold moved pretty wild yesterday, but there's no excuse to lose 30% at all. If you're disciplined, especially if you've been on streams, there's no excuse to lose 30%. There's no opportunities aside from like 1 as a W. Where's that loss in GJ? It's gonna be the previous 15-minute low probably. But chat, I don't have any buy stops or anything yet. I'm gonna wait for a steep wick to be created, okay? Once it's a steep wick, we'll be in. Where's Marcos and Wixer? Okay, nice top wick formed. Nice. Let me see. Where's the 4-hour lows? I mean, we can't use stops on 4-hour lows, or can we? It's gonna be a 25 pip stop. 25 pip stop on the 4-hour lows instead for a 43 pip TP, because we're entering out the 15 here. Let's see. How big is that wick that we just left there? That wick was 6 pips here, so we want to take advantage of that wick. So this candle here, once it comes down towards 157.423, I'm gonna have a buy stop placed at 157.491. I'm expecting a steep wick to be created here. If not, worst case, we wait for a 30-minute candle, which is in 15 minutes here to take positions. 30-minute candle, yeah, in 14 minutes here, because the 15-minute close, but the 30-minute candle hasn't closed above it for yet. So if you don't get that steep wick, or if you just drive up here, I'm willing to miss on the 15. Potential buys for chat. When I'm in position, you guys will know. Don't trip. Don't worry. Okay. Where's the playbook at? We discussed it earlier on stream. Just go back a little bit. How to buy on gold. Then I got anxious and lost my control. Buys? Really? Then why do you miss starter play on GJ? Because the 1 hour candle, as discussed earlier, didn't close above where I wanted. It closed like below the range here, so I didn't want to have any buys there. If the 1 hour candle closed respecting the support, yeah, I mentioned it earlier, I would have had a buy stop here, but that didn't happen, right? It's okay. This 15 starting to flip here, so there's a slight chance that we might just drive out while it's 15 here. 13 minutes left for a third closure, so if it does go up, it goes up. I'm gonna wait for this third closure unless we create a steeper wick here. Yeah, 4 onions is lovely. What's your spreads right now? My spreads right now are... My spreads right now on GJ or gold? On GJ, it's 1.4. And on gold, it's 1.5, 1.7 pips. Yeah, you have 5 minute onion MM. That's what you have. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna wait for this third candle to close there. It's either that or you could enter on the break of the highs here at 157.555. Because if you usually whenever we have like a small wick form, like in this scenario, small wick, we enter on the break of the previous kind of high. The reason why I didn't like them as much here is just because it's an extra 6 pips here, 7 pips here, right? So we're kind of missing on 7 pips in this range here if you have the buy stops there instead. So I'm gonna wait for this 30 to close. 11 minutes left for a 30 to close. This 30 minute count can still close below the range here, unless you create a steep wick right now, which isn't bad. Okay, can you come down to tap 157.431? Perfect. All right. Okay, I'm gonna have a buy stop placed right here now at 157.504. Right, so we got what we wanted. We waited on more for that. So now I'm gonna have a buy stop placed right around here. Not the vid yet. Let's just put that there for now. $7 point. 500. Okay. Okay, there's that. Let me just I'll do this text. Setup type is 15 closure above range. Entry type is going to be flip of candle after creating bottom wick. All right, so we have a buy stop here. Let's see what happens. Gold's pushing up as well. Lovely. Gold and GG are very identical right now. Very identical. I mean, this push is during what? What time was this push at last night? This push coming down is at like, oh, that was this is late NY, and this push was during a London session. Nice. Anyone catch the buy during London session last night? I'm trying to see. I don't think there was any entries for me. What up, Wix?
Good morning.
Good morning. What up, brother?
What's going on?
What's going on, brother?
Should be a fire week.
Yeah,
but to the week.
Yeah, let's finish off strong. You have a buy stop here?
Sir.
500, right?
My buy stop is a little bit higher.
Interesting.
I'll tell you the exact number.
Yeah, Chad, don't the option we had earlier was which was wait for the 30-minute candle to close, which it was only if this 15 didn't create a steep wick. But now they have a steep wick, it goes back to the original entry we wanted. So therefore buy stops are still valid. If you want to, you can wait for whatever you want, but you can wait for the break of the highs instead, or wait for a 30-minute close, whatever it is you want. But I'm pretty comfortable with the 15-minute buy 15-minute buy stop here.
Yeah, I got a 5-1.
501.
157.51.
501.
5-1, yeah.
Oh, your conference spreads, aren't you?
Yeah, spreads are 1.3, so 4.7's price.
Yeah.
All right, 1 pip later.
No difference. Shouldn't change the outcome of the trade.
It shouldn't, yeah. And like the way it's forming here, this 1 pip shouldn't make a difference. Even if you get like wicked in on this candle with spread, it's still looking like it's gonna go up. This 15 closed very solid.
Go looking clean too. For range 2 breakouts later. Looking solid. Yo, what up, Nuke? What's going on, bro?
What's good, bro?
It's good, brother.
What's good with you, week?
Yeah, this is a perfect week. How many pips are stop loss? I can see. It's gonna be the previous 15-minute low, so it's gonna be around 18 pips. We're not in yet, but once we're in, you'll see on my screen. I'll let you guys know what my entry is, what my stop loss, what my TP is. But yeah, TP is gonna be up here at 157.980, and stop loss is gonna be the previous count low at 157.312. All right, so roughly around like a 1 to 2 RR, 18 pips risk for a 47 pip TP. Look at a forward candle. The forward candle kind of gave it away for me today. That's what it was today. Forward candle and daily being bullish though. How big are stops if you use the break of the highs? 24 pips. It's not bad. Yeah, but the reason why I want to take advantage of this wick fill is because once you get activated and you fill that wick, the moment you tap that wick there, that's where I'm going break even. That wick fill, you want to take advantage of it. I think it's like 5-6 pips till you tap that wick. But it's a minor resistance on a 5-minute, right? Or whatever time frame, small time frame. But entering on the highs at 157.55, like the buy stop is there instead, would be the 1 hour breaking the highs, 4 hour candle re-breaking the highs, daily re-breaking the highs, and weekly re-breaking the highs. Or sorry, yeah, no weekly, but daily and 4 hour and 1 hour. So, oh, JXTR, what's going on, bro?
I have runners on gold already.
Really?
And yeah, this 1 hour breakout, I already planned this before London session. This is my range 2. Yeah.
So this is your new support, right? So yeah, this is range 1, right? Down here.
Range 1 for me was down. Yeah, that's just range 1.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Not bad. It's a pretty good trade. If it gets too close, I think if it gets too close, 3 minutes left. That's all.
Celery play would be the same entry.
Yeah. 3-minute closures is closing 3 minutes, so I don't worry. We'll be in on third closure anyways. Volume though, that volume on price. Yo, congrats to whoever who caught the buys on gold. I believe a closure above 1830 here would be ideal here. If you guys haven't gotten buys yet, this is a pretty minor resistance here. If you had closure above in 3 minutes, you should be in good hands to continue up towards 1836. Did we? Let's see. No, not yet. I moved mine to 510 Q.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Oh, there you go. I think I activated there just now. Interesting. Chat, I got on a buy here, chat. Got on a buy here on the break of the high. I think I activated spreads, but it's okay. So got on a buy here. Stop loss is gonna be the previous 15-minute low, and TP is gonna be up here at 157.980 here. All right, looking left. This is the trade that we're in. We have about 2 minutes left in this 3-minute candle. So at this point, once the 3-minute candle closes above 157.423 here, we should be in good hands to continue up. If it closes below, then I might consider closing partials or closing half, but I mean, we should be good here to close above.
Yeah, even if it closes bare, it should respect this 15742.
Yeah.
I'm pretty confident the way this flipped. Also, that we're at least gonna fill this wick here.
Yep.
You know, so what's the how many pips is that at the wick?
Six.
Five.
5, 6, yeah.
Six. Yeah, that's gonna be tough to go break even.
Yeah, roughly once you break that high, that's where I want to go break even.
Some volume here.
Holy,
Good gold.
there's
Gold.
RR. Yeah,
Gold's
gold's
just
pushing. Gold's just pushing before NY open too.
Yeah, there's volume here on a Friday.
Tons.
The banks are trying to get to where they were supposed to be.
It makes sense. Just look
By
at
the end
the
of the
daily on gold. You know, respect that support. Just makes sense.
Yeah, now it's the end of the week. They got to get there. Gotta get there.
Yeah. And yesterday was just kind of, you know, F you day. That was that trade of gold. All right, I think I'm more comfortable now because at first we got active with spreads. We didn't really break the highs, but I think we just re-broke the highs. So this is the official trade. This is the official trade. So we're good. Yeah, because I hate when spreads act me early. I even account for spreads too. I moved it up, but spreads still got me. But yeah, we officially broke the highs. We should be good now to drive. We're probably gonna drive on this next 30 closure, chat, to be honest with you. We might just range for the next 50 seconds here. And then at 8:30, we should create a bottom wick. And once you create that bottom wick, there's a high chance that you're gonna drive up towards the top of the range, which is up here at 157, 800 or 900. If you don't like the buy stops, then just simply wait for a 30-minute count closure and enter on the flip, or enter onto the flip after you get a steeper wick. All right. Whatever it is you want to do. How do I show my screen like this? That's better. Want to add more and price moves halfway lower, your risk reward will be huge. That's not how we trade, brother. That's not how we trade. We don't add buys predicting where we're gonna flip off of. We add buys once you actually flip and once you have an idea of where price is actually going. Just like find a daily bias. We don't take sells at a daily resistance. Like right now, Jesus at a daily resistance. Are we taking sells? No, right? We're still following the trend, so it breaks. But yeah, I mean, if that's what you do, then you know, feel free to do so. But we won't really have buy stops or anything, buy limits here. I used to though. I think when I first had the strategy, that's what I did. I waited for the retest and I took buys over here, but we wait for that already on a 15. We waited for a 15 to create a lower wick. Got it, and then once we flipped, we got in. Here we go. 30-minute candles opened up, so we should create a wick here, or maybe a steeper wick. And then once you flip and break this high, you should be good.
Cool thing is if we waited for the 30, we'd have the same entry.
Perfect. The only thing is, we haven't had a bond wick yet.
Yeah.
But once that form.
Yeah, once it forms, current candle rebreaks its own high, we should be on our way.
Check out gold. Check out gold.
What a closure.
Yeah, what an opening. Opening. This candle flips bullish here. Gold has a high chance to drive here, chat.
Yeah, and what an opening on this next one. Wow. Come on, GJ. Just look at gold, GJ.
What up, Marcos?
What's up?
What's up? Did you check the playbook?
I saw the first few pages and then I went to make my coffee. I gotta finish it.
Yeah.
I gotta copy it and then sell it. Wait, what?
Yeah, buy stops here too?
Yes.
Or yeah, you're in? I'm not sure what you have.
Yeah, I'm in. 5-1 was my buy stop.
That's where I'm
Man, let's not always have the exact same buy stop before we say anything.
Mine was at 500 and I adjusted it just because you guys had there's like a pip.
Yeah.
Because I actually do the spread calculation.
Yeah, once you told me about the buy versus the sell spread or whatever, we've pretty much had the same style stops.
Yeah.
I mean, this bottom wick I wanted it to come down to like 420 on the 30-minute.
Yeah.
420.
Like a real bottom wick, yeah.
But if it just drives here, then it drives, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, I don't care at this point. Now that we're in.
Now that we're in, let's go 520.
Yeah, no bottom wick for 100 pips, please.
Yeah, I just need a 100 pip top wick right now.
Yeah.
I got quieter. 600 watch, and you guys are quiet. This is a solid trade. You guys
It
should
always
be happy you entered a
happens.
solid trade.
Always
Yeah, if you're-
happens.
Even if you're in drawdown, even if it's going against you, even if you think you might lose this and you're nervous, if you're in here, this is a solid trade. And there's no need to be nervous, because if you were in here with us all week, you will be
Same
so far
shit.
ahead that a loss here wouldn't bother you, but the knowing that you're taking a solid position, or knowing that you're missing a solid position, should bother you. Yeah, you should be more stressed out if you're not in a position here with us and trying to figure out why and how we're in there. What was the reasoning?
Yeah, it's the same
I
trade
don't
we had
really
all
care
week.
what the position is doing. I just care that we're in there and we caught it. We caught our position. We caught our plan. Our plan, right? Our plan is not foolproof. It's not 100%. Nothing is 100%. That's why you never risk 100% on anything that's not 100%. You know, you don't
Correct.
you don't risk your entire life on one trade. If all the trades were 100%, sure, risk 100%.
That life would be easy.
Yeah,
Life would be
incredible.
easy.
Life would be super fast. But while having the fact that losses are part of a winning strategy, you must have losses in any winning strategy. Any winning strategy needs a pullback. Everything in life needs a pullback. Understand? So you should be happy that you're in a fire position, not upset that you're in drawdown. Because overall, over a long period of time, being upset that you're in this little bit of drawdown will get you nowhere, but understanding that you're in a fire position and not wavering and taking that position again next time, even though you take a loss now, you understand, that's what's going to build consistency. It's what's going to build confidence. So don't stress a drawdown position. Understand why you took it, be comfortable, be confident in it. And you should stress the fact that you might not take this position, next time, which is terrible. You should continue taking the same thing over and over. And like I always say, it's not a game of one trade. It's not one day. It's not one session. It's probabilities and thousands of sessions and thousands of trades and thousands of setups and building your playbook. And these thousands of setups overall, will build your confidence, your account, and your livelihood.
Nice.
If we close below 15742
On the hourly.
yeah, I'm gonna delete this position, and then we'll look for re-entries later. Point is we might reject here and come back up, but point is to preserve capital, right? So we're gonna manage risk, and once this trade is not an 80-20 but more of a 60-40, then we're gonna start managing it.
Yeah.
So,
For now, we're still ahead, regardless if you're in drawdown. Probability says you're still ahead in the trade. Your money might say otherwise for a minute or two, but 95% of trades have drawdown.
This I think it's our first drawdown trade. Like, this is our steepest drawdown of the week. But
I mean, just because every trade we've given them over this week has had no drawdown doesn't mean this is the industry standard.
Yeah.
We're just we were beating the industry standard for quite a bit, and then people get used to it, and then you're in drawdown. They're like, "What the hell?" Like, nah, you're lucky. So there's other groups, you'd be in drawdown of like 80 pips for like 80 days.
Yo, real quick, I was gonna say like for those that aren't in yet, to count what Tyler said, I was gonna say it earlier. If you're not in yet, if you didn't enter off the 15 like we did earlier, you could put a buy stop now at 1575285. If I didn't enter off the 15, I would have a buy stop right here now, exactly at 1575525. Because once you come up to re-break the current kind of highs, we should be able to drive up, similar to what we did on the 15, just on a 30-minute time from this time. All right, so it's a much stronger confirmation. If you're not in, don't get in now. Wait for this candle to flip, because at any given point, this candle may still drive down to create a steeper wick, or two, it might even break the lows, right? So you want to see this candle officially flip to have that bottom wick established, and then we'll be in some good positions to drive up, or you'll be in some good positions to drive up. All right, but chat, just like Wickson said, just stay calm. I know we went like a little 4 or 5 foot drawdown, but we're bouncing off a minor support here, so this might be the flip, and we should be good. Gold,
4-hour resistance and 7 pips, which is probably where we'll be break even. If you on the 4-hour looking left.
Yeah, that's where I have mine too at break even. Yo, you see the 4-hour onion play?
Yeah, it's clean. Fake out.
So solid. Was it a fake out? Oh yeah, it was a fake. Yeah.
That's what resistance is, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So clean. But yeah, solid.
Okay.
I just know a lot of people are entering. They want to end at the break of the previous candle high. So just to be wary of that 4-hour resistance.
Let's see. What is it? 2. This is GJ. This is the breakout. This is the 30-minute. This is the break of current high and low. Today's stream. I'm gonna copy this real quick. Chat, I appreciate you for coming by today, by the way, all of you guys. Playbook's coming out later. I showed the playbook earlier on stream, but we'll talk about the playbook again after the trade, all right? We're kind of locked in here, so there's a lot going on today, I know, but just bear with us, because in trade. Yeah. This trade's taking out what time? Let me see. What time is it? It was 7:30ish? Or 7:15?
I don't fuck with the 15 on GJ much anymore. Fucks me over too much. Well, I don't think I think you're putting too much trust in the 15. You can fuck with the 15 as long as you're aware that it's not the most trustworthy of your time frames. You know? It's a 15-minute friend, you know? The friend you've had for 15 minutes. You really want that 1 hour, that 4 hour, that daily.
I was gonna say, someone asked about gold earlier. Gold, yeah, so gold, I wanted a range 2 breakout. So technically earlier my buys were above like 1836 here, right? But what I'll wait for now is I'll wait for a range 2 breakout, because I didn't really consider this a range 2. I know some people did. It's fine. You can consider whatever you want to consider it as. I know JXTR took advantage of that position, but I consider this as a range 1. So I wanted a range 2 here. So if we close bearish now, creating a resistance here, this would be my resistance formed, and therefore later I'll wait for a closure above this range for buys to drive up. Once you get a closure above this range, then we can look to drive up to the top of the range, and that'll be the entry we'll have for buys on gold if we're trading gold today. But I'm gonna wait for this, probably this 1 hour candle close on gold here, and see how we close here. Yeah, this GG trade, by the way, is this for those that missed it earlier in this morning's analysis, it's based off the 4 hour candle. That's it. Simple. It's just simply this support created. I was even considering using the 4 hour stops earlier, because 4 hour stops are like 25 pips.
Make more sense.
Make more sense. But it's basically just chat. Just we close bullish on support. This is a range formed. If you close bullish on support, create a range. It's a high chance that we drive up to the top of the range now. Looking left, you have clean traffic to fill 157,900. So there's a high chance that that target will get tapped by the end of the session. But we gotta see.
This is where like impulsive traders, impulsive people have a really hard time. Like you're ahead. Like I know we're in drawdown, but we're ahead in this trade. Our probability still keeps us ahead here, and we're ahead in this trade. Why would you close out and lose the trade, take the loss when you're ahead in the trade?
Yeah, this trade makes sense until it actually breaks these lows there. There's no reason to at least close or manage risk impossibly until you actually break this low. You can close if this 15 closes below if you like, but I entered the trade off the 3-minute time frame, right, and a 1 hour time frame, so I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour candle to close to see how I manage risk here, because the 1 hour candle could literally just close above it in 16 minutes here. Yeah, it's still open. As long as the 1 hour candle closes above 157.423, you should be solid.
Yeah, that's the big one.
Yeah. Did you go half or to full risk? I went a little below full.
I can't do that. I got once it hits over 20,
It was 18 though.
I go half risk, and once it goes full, or once it goes under 20, I go full risk.
Oh, so you went full risk.
Yeah, I got 10 on here.
I'm half. I went 5 because it's about to be 20.
No, I'm 10 on here, but I don't mind. I've had a monster week.
Yeah.
It's not even just about monster. Like I would be more upset missing this loss than not taking it at all, because I would be chewing myself out for not being consistent enough to actually make it to the charts for this position and actually take my position, which I would. And even though we're in drawdown, or it might end up being a loss, I would still be upset that I missed my plan. I missed doing what I planned out to do, and that's what keeps me away from motivation and being, and needing motivation, needing somebody to push me and wake me up and get to the charts. Once it's consistency gets rid of motivate. You don't need nobody to motivate you. You can motivate yourself. Once something is a habit, you just do it. You don't need, oh, I don't feel it. No, once you formed a habit, you just automatically do. You're not even gonna think about how you just did something and you did it and you're like, holy shit, like that was like a robot move. But the consistency gets rid of the need for motivation. Builds habits.
You're a robot.
Habits will form you into a person that you won't have to go to people and ask them what they think. You're going to be that person. You're going to be the person with the habit that people need the motivation for. See how this works? You become that person who you used to look for and ask for the answers. But you can't be in this goal mindset that I talk about all the time, where I need this, I need that, I'm gonna take a lot. No, you got to be in a growth mindset. And did you grow today? I don't care if you took a win or a loss today. Did you grow from yesterday? Right? Did you become better? If you went through experiences and you lost, did you learn from them? So this is a great trade to be in, regardless, win or loss, because this is a learning opportunity. This is a trade that forms habits, keeps you consistent, and the benefits of coming here and taking an L, not taking an L every day, but coming here and even being consistent with taking a trade, even though the trade takes an L, that's much more important than saving some money. Or just how I look at it. Dude is stoned, LOL. No, you would be saying like, what's wrong with him if I wasn't smoking? Like this is my normal. This is my homeostasis. You understand?
Zen.
Well, Tyler, what's going on? I said earlier about waiting for the bond wick to be formed. We did. Wait for this trade's until the 15, right? So I've been late. But by the way, this 15 here, closed bearish, respecting that support.
Respecting. That's
So
why I'm not.
didn't close
closing.
below. Also, we're not really managing risk in a losing situation yet until it's 1 hour candle, 30-minute candle, 1 hour candle closes here. If the 30-minute or 1 hour closes below 157.423, then we'll look to close half or close partials. Because now the trade is a much lower probability trade if we were to close below. But if we close respecting that support, then the next candle we would expect it to continue to drive up still as the 1 hour closes bullish, and then on a 30-minute time frame it would just be a 30-minute starter play to drive up. All right, like I said, if you didn't like the 15, you could wait for a 30, and a 30 you probably wouldn't be in right now. You probably have a buy stop here on a flip this candle, so I wouldn't be too worried. If it gets too close for you and you haven't entered yet to the ADM candle, just wait for the ADM candle to close and see if it closes above or not. There's no point of getting it now, right? At this point. But yeah, that'll be my advice for those that aren't in yet. The reason why we entered the 15 today, not 30, or you guys may be wondering why not the 1 hour instead, was because this is the first time the 15 has closed above. This entry is based off of this candle over here. It wasn't based off of this candle. This candle was off of this candle. Looking left, 15 has never closed above. Wicks. Closure above indicated volume. So we would expect this 15 to drive up. I guess I'll on gold, but would take that trade in a day? Really? I just thought that on gold. It didn't break any lows. Oh, where'd you get in? Hey, Fortnite, yo, Dollar, thanks for the 5. Appreciate it, brother. Appreciate it. Waller in the chat.
Waller.
Waller.
I feel there's a lot of new people here today. If you guys are new to the streams, welcome. Yeah, I think there's a lot of new people here. I can tell by the chat, the comments.
Moderator be moderating, that's for sure.
I appreciate you guys being here. Yeah, mods never is.
Mods. We're gonna do a lunch just for mods.
I would love that. I would do a New York mod lunch, but I don't think they have New York mods.
Our mods,
I
yo,
can see
chat.
you doing New York when you're in New York.
Chat. Mods. Only mods. Where you guys from? Where you guys?
Philippines.
Yeah, you're from the Philippines. Wickstown's from Miami. Marcus is from Brooklyn.
Nuke is Mississippi, right? Tyler's Canada.
Wait, pardon? Mississippi?
Yeah.
I can't tell you that info.
Where are you from, Kay? Kay's not a mod, but basically, she's. I
Yeah.
consider in that. Whoa,
She's basically a mod, basically.
yeah, you're like your grandfather did mod. You're next up. Next up.
Okay, how about this? If this trade ends up being a win today, we'll make you a mod. On the spot. On the spot.
That's it.
I wouldn't even stress.
But if it doesn't, banned. No mod.
Banned. If we lose this trade, you're all banned.
I want to be a mod. I'm not gonna lie.
Getting rid of mods.
NPB1, you said you want to be a mod. I've never seen your name before, so if you want to be a mod, you gotta start chatting. You gotta start chatting. You know, it takes a while to be a mod. It's not. Also, mods get access to the Zoom calls and all that. So.
But like before someone's gonna be a mod, it's usually at a point where like, wait, why aren't they a mod? It's we're not like who wants to be a mod. It's usually like we know who's next up.
That's right, Kay. I have faith in our trades too. I'm pretty confident in this trade. I don't care how y'all feel.
Don't
confident.
You know, y'all make sure, because a lot of people are new here too, Wix. A lot of people are gonna hold on to your words today. A lot of people are gonna like.
Hey, don't just jump in a trade because we're in a trade. You gotta get the break. Now, here's the thing: if you're, I'm a firm believer that even if you're following somebody trading, or if you're taking signals or whatever you're doing, but you're not doing your own positions, you really have to be in tune with the person you're following. You really have to understand how they're trading, why, and their thought process. So even taking somebody else's positions, that's why a lot of people are like, oh, I got signals and I'm not profitable. I don't get it. You know, like I take every single trade he does, or like, you know,
Yeah.
because you're not in tune with what you know the provider's doing, your signal provider, what your mentor, your guru, like this is if we're considering that your guru is actually profitable. But let's say whoever you're learning from is profitable and you're copying their trades and you're not in tune with what they're doing, you would take losses on small little nuances where they would be either closing out that trade or they're taking their position way earlier, not time frame wise, but like in the range way, or like 5-8 pips earlier than you, and you're like, oh shit, why do I keep losing? Because you're not exactly in tune with that person. You don't know at which moment they're looking at the chart. You don't know what setup, what position they're looking for. Yeah, so if you're not in tune with what we do and you're not here for a long time, for at least a month, I'd say, and seeing why we're doing what we're doing and what our next move is going to be in the trade, most of the people here in the chat know what we're looking for once we're in, once trades move in a certain direction.
They're used to it.
Yeah, they're used to it. We talk about it all the time. We discuss winning and losing positions before, during, and after they happen. So that's why most people are able to take advantage of what we're doing. But if you're new and you're just following along blindly and not in tune with what we're doing, I would say you're going to see some losses that we don't, and then you're going to be really frustrated, angry, and then you're going to be like, these guys suck, but you're just not in tune. You're not there yet. Even though this week you probably killed it because every position banked out, didn't see any drawdown or straight, unless you're not in tune and you entered the position late. There you go.
You didn't need much. You didn't need many nuances this week. This week was
yes, but except unless you're taking you're in the signal group and then there's positions being sent out and you're taking them like an hour later. You're like, oh shit, I had a position already.
Yo.
Buy now.
Yo, T Mango, thanks for the 5, brother. Like the stream, channel Interreza. If you're trying to Interreza, just stay calm and remember, don't manage risk off of impulsiveness. Manage risk using Tango analysis, right? So the trade's still valid until it actually breaks the lows. Understand that. No Interreza here. Where is Reza today, by the way?
It's Slack.
Promised to be here.
Oh no, I think he said he was gonna be here today, right? He thinks to be on this stream today.
Promised it, yeah.
You should understand every trade you take and don't blame someone for losing that trade. Take responsibility. Yo, appreciate the 5. That's $1. We got a lot of donations today, chat. Chat, don't donate. Don't donate.
Earlier.
Why you guys donating?
I agree with you, Dr. Dollar. We said this before, where people, this industry is so unique, and you can't really blame anyone for it because people have a hard time dealing with the raw responsibility that it puts on them. There's no one else responsible. It's you. And you could spin it any way you want. Oh, like, you know, I was distracted. I had to run to the bathroom. I had to. But in my head, I know that's impossible because I know you're just afraid of taking the responsibility. And that's what's good about everything else. And that's what's great about Instagram. You're not obligated to anyone. There's no, I guess, control. There's no accountability. That's the word I'm looking for, you know. But if you can keep accountable and if you could, you know, take on the responsibility of the losses and realizing that it's your fault, you know, you didn't just go to the bathroom, you didn't realize what's going on in the charts, you weren't anticipating the position, you weren't planning out, and if you didn't, you know, then you went to the bathroom. And it just, you know, that tells me one thing.
It tells me one thing, Wixnine, and it tells us that this one account may close above here.
Do we have a range 2 breakout command? I forget.
Yeah, we do. Do exclamation point ranges. It links to the fake over, or do exclamation point fake out.
Yeah, someone was just asking about the gold bias. And I was just trying to link them, or the exclamation point fake out.
Chat, it's very key. This one account closes above 157,423 here. Again, we entered off the 15, but now we need our timers to align, right? So now we have the 30-minute time frame needs to close above and the 1 hour needs to close above. Once the two timers close above, we should be good to be in positions.
Waller.
Yo, Dr. thanks for another 5. Just because you said don't donate, love that. Hey, brother. Hope you're having a great day, man. Hope you're having a great day. Thanks for the 5. Don't donate. I'm not sure if you covered in the stream, but how did today's bias from yesterday's bearish candle on gold, which broke and low? Yeah. So my bias today was bearish on gold initially. However, take into account of how we actually closed bearish though. Like we closed bearish today, respecting the support, right? So we didn't close below this candle here. We closed below or respecting it. Therefore, today's candle had a high chance to continue up still. So I was very comfortable taking range 2 buys, but only if we were to get a range 2 breakout. And for me, that's going to be above 1831 here. Once this 1 hour candle closes, once you close above 1830.397, this next candle should drive up towards the top of the range, which is at 1836.400. So I'll wait for that. All right. Let's see. A minute left for this 1 hour candle close there. Will we close above? If you close right below support, I will most likely close my positions with a negative, what is this? 7 pips if you close. If you close above, then the next 1 hour candle should be able to drive up. Yo, okay, I saw your message earlier about tier 2s. Yeah, I gotta change that. It's gotta be yellow. But appreciate tier 1 for 2 months. Damn, our first 2 months up. That's pretty cool. Pretty dope. Appreciate it. Yeah. Okay, you'll get your mod. You'll get your mod this week. Follow Marcus on Twitter. Wow. Marcus on Twitter. Okay. All right.
And I'm tier 2. I want a special badge.
Version 2. Damn, today's stream is wild. A lot of stuff's going on today. I'm still trying to process the whole playbook thing, and you guys are here. We're in a trade like right now. Like a lot of stuff's happening. Paul Laberry tier 2. Thanks for tier 2, Paul Laberry. Hey.
Stop trading.
Down.
Hey.
Push repeat. Oh, wait, for real. I think we got a 1 hour closure above here. Back to the charts real quick. Real quick. We got a 1 hour closure above. Wait for a bottom wick to be formed there, which looks like we did get. This kind of opened up no top wick. Once you flip, we should be good to drive up to fill this wick here. And once you fill this wick and break the highs, this would be a solid break even point.
30 Selly.
30-minute starter play. Yep. Once you break that high, it should say ciao bella. 15-minute close bullish support, right? So even though this bearish candle closed bearish here, it respected the support. Again, if you manage risks differently, then by all means do what you gotta do. But I was waiting for this 1 hour close to determine how we react there, and it looks like we closed perfectly. This candle should be able to drive up towards minimum 157,650 here. Minimum. Let's see. How do you make the tiers? I think you gotta have, I don't know, check just search up on YouTube, search up membership on YouTube requirements or something. It's over there, bro. Got you. There we go. 30-minute break the highs. Can we break the highs? The highs will be at 157,526 here. Damn, yo, chat. I think we might break our all-time views today. I think our all-time views is 720 or something, and we're at 700 at 8 a.m.
That'll be terrible. I gotta leave right now.
No, you don't. No, you don't. It's a Friday.
You're right. I don't.
Let the kids chill at home. It's a Friday.
Forget school. My friend said. This gentleman right here. Right here. He said, "Forget school. Just learn to trade." Right? Don't listen to people like that. Go to school. Okay?
Don't listen.
So
don't listen to people like that.
No, she's awesome. She just made the honor roll. So
oh, for
we're
real?
gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna go this weekend too.
That's 10 pips this weekend. Shopping spree.
She doesn't know what 10 pips is. It's gonna be more like a pip. 1 pip. She's getting commission. She's getting
not gonna carry the legacy.
I mean, if you really want to put your kids through the roller coasters of trading,
The pain and suffering.
I just don't wish it on anyone what I went through. But I don't think she's gonna need it. If she wants to, I mean, she sees me doing it. She can learn one day. But
Yo, W dad in the chat.
Yeah, like I don't want to put I don't want to put anyone else through the stuff too. Like even my friends, like I don't know. It's just it's such a
that's
process.
why you don't go out and like recruit people.
Yeah,
right? Unless you're IMO.
never. I keep quiet. People ask me what I do. Sometimes I'm just like, oh, I work at a grocery store still. You know.
I say I sell furniture.
Yeah, like, I just make some shit because I don't want, they ask questions like, oh, how long you been doing it for? You know, just I don't want to deal with that. It's a lot.
I tell people I have really nice parents.
Yeah.
They hooked it up.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go take the kids to school. I'll be back in 20 minutes.
All right. How you gonna manage the trade? What are you gonna do? Bring your laptop?
Yeah, I'm gonna bring my laptop, and I had a second screen come in. I gotta set up my setup.
All right.
So yeah, I'm in a position where I can actually pick these. This laptop used to be a lot more stationary, but I can kind of pick it up, take it with me, juggle it on the way.
That's so dope. Or make it easier for you. Go on your phone and just mattress. But
No, I still don't have my phone, dude. I have no phone. Remember yesterday I told you my kids broke it? The baby broke it. So I reached out to Verizon and they're like, oh yeah, we'll send you a new one and you'll have it by this evening. That was yesterday. Like same day delivery. I was like, all right, cool. Nothing. No, I came home early, waited for it, nothing. So I'm waiting for it right now. It's got a tracking number. It says out for delivery. UPS, you know what I'm saying? You know what UPS stands for? You piece of shit. You suck. Here, man.
Yo, Wixline is on one today. Like, chat, if you're new to the streams, Wixline, you know, today he's on one, but he's on a good one. Dropping a lot of, yeah.
Yeah, if anyone's a good editor,
Point UPS.
DM it's Donville on Instagram. Someone that can edit clips for YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Professional with experience.
UPS.
We need an exclamation point UPS.
Yeah. Who's adding this right now? Who is this? Is this a show? Oh no. Wait. Oh, it's Control FX. It's me.
Say Rez is in there.
Yeah, Rez in there adding as we
working hard.
as we're in the trade still.
All right, I gotta go. I'll be right back.
All right, brother. Take it easy. Drive safe. Man, I want to play music. You know what? It's a Friday. If it's a winning trade today, we'll play some music after. King of W's in chat. Well, it's been a long hour.
This has the feeling of a trade that we're just gonna be in all day.
Nah, I mean the runner could be all day, but I want this to be within the next couple minutes here. Yeah, it's 8 a.m. here. We should get some volume here. Gold, by the way, shot up here. It closed above that range, slightly above it, but there's no bottom wick here, so I wouldn't have gone in here even if I was looking at this. Even if I wanted to get in, I wouldn't have gone. I would wait for a bottom wick first to be formed, and then once you break the highs, I'll be in.
You guys gonna be tough on runners.
We just need to break that 3-minute high right there at 157.523, and we should be good. Like back to where we were earlier. Let's see.
Where do you have target? I have 157.92, something like that.
9.6. It's yeah, around there, 9.2, 9.6 ish. But that's a huge target, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we could easily break even just because we have to be aggressive because of that 4-hour resistance, but also like, clean traffic on the daily. I mean, on the 4-hour going up, it's like it's weird. I'll attempt runners personally, especially Friday, good week. I'm gonna go for the runners here.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna close half at like 10 pips, and then let the rest run towards TP, and just let it run. TP or break even.
Push in.
Yeah.
What time are you releasing the playbook?
The playbook, yeah. So I wanted to talk about it after the trade because we're kind of locked in here. But I'm just gonna make some adjustments, like just some errors in spelling and stuff. But I think for the most part we had that figured out. But just some final edits, and then we should be good by the end of the day, chat. I don't know what time yet. Maybe around 12ish, 1ish. Depends on Cake. I don't want to rush Cake because he did a lot for us. He did this for us in like a day or two. So shout out to Cake in the chat. Couldn't have to get it done. I wouldn't have gotten it done without him, to be honest. It's hard finding like a designer in our field here that like watches our streams or that knows exactly what we're doing. And he was one of them. So shout out to him. But yeah, it should be out sometime this week. I'll link if Cake wants, like after we drop it, I'll link his Instagram on, like I'll tag him on my Instagram post and all that, so you guys can hit him up for work if you guys want anything done. But I'm gonna have to ask him first. It's time for Wordle? No, not yet. We're gonna trade here. We're gonna trade here. We'll do a Wordle later, okay? We'll do it later.
Uh-oh.
Can we break the highs?
Pushing.
Yeah, yo, the 4-hour break of the highs is the daily break of the highs as well.
Pushing pips.
Marcus, I feel like last year you would have had a buy stop there instead, wouldn't you?
Last year I would have had the buy stop right now.
No, you would have had it at 157, 562 because the 1 hour flip, 1 hour break, 4 hour break, and daily break.
Yeah, I would have, but I have definitely more aligned with the devious way.
Yeah.
Is what we'll call it. Controller FX. It's like I was saying, it was like, remember off stream when I was saying, I was like, I like taking like less trades and just like having like the 3 or 4 setups and just like chilling. It's so much more chill.
So much more disciplined too. You're just doing the same
Yeah, it's
thing.
so disciplined. I'm not like constantly flipping through the charts. Like I have 3 setups and that's it. It's nice and simple. Oh shit, I gotta unlock my phone.
Oh, there it is. Bring break the 30-minute highs. We gotta break it. There it is. There's the official break. So now that we officially broken 30-minute highs, we should get some volume here, chat. We should drive up towards 157, 562. In a quick push here to break that high. 1 hour candle flipped, create a top wick and bottom wick. The next step is you break the 1 hour highs. Once you break that highs, everything in the trade is kind of checked off as should be good to go break even, and this thing should continue up to give us 10 pips there. But yeah, let's see. Need to push up an extra 3 pips there. I don't think this is even 6 pips for me here with spreads. Like, how big are spreads right now?
1.5 pips.
Yeah. What's your exact entry?
Candle stops maybe 5-1. I didn't get moved.
Yeah, current candle stops wouldn't be a bad idea, but I mean, you're saving what, 12 pips?
Yeah,
No.
I mean, it doesn't make sense because if you go current candle stops, this could flip and then go flip again.
If you break the highs, current candle stops.
Yeah, definitely.
You break the 1 hour highs because it doesn't make sense to do it right now.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm gonna move stops to break even at like 5-8, so
yeah,
7 pips.
5-8-ish. I'm trying to find a minor resistance here, but next minor resistance is at 12 pips, which is up here. So
go to the 4 hour and go left. That's where I have mine.
Oh, right here, these levels. Okay, perfect. Oh, that's good eye.
Yeah.
Good eye. Yeah. Solid. Yeah, we'll be like 7-6 pips.
Got your good vibes today. I'm proud of you guys.
I'm surprised for a new
drawdown position. That was like pretty good vibes.
Yeah, because we had a lot of distractions from like donations and stuff, so people kind of usually chat will go crazy to ask like, "Yo, Don, what's gonna happen? Are we gonna lose?" But I think it's because we gave him a good week, so people are just kind of like.
I only timed out one person. This is great.
I took a gold trade and took out 1 minute, and then this 1 hour. What? Are you in profit, man? What's going on? Yeah. Wix gives you guys a prep talk too. That's why, because Wix then give you guys a long prep talk to keep you guys calm too. So, words of wisdom. Shout out to Wix.
It's funny, we were saying we all have like roles in terms of like vibes. Wix is definitely the wisdom pep talk guy.
Yeah. My wisdom prep talk is not that strong. I just kind of, the only thing I say is chat, just be a robot. Whatever
Yeah, I
happens
was just
today,
about to say
it doesn't
that.
matter what happens today. Just move on to tomorrow and take the exact same trade tomorrow. That's all I'll say. But Wixen goes deeper into it, which is why we kind of need Wix on the streams. Give us that.
I'm the comedian of the group.
Yeah, and you can't just make everyone just laugh. Can you break the 1 hour highs? Some volume here, chat. ADM volume coming in.
On GJ, do stuff.
I'll say this
Right.
15. If it closes above here, we should be good in about 2 minutes here. On top of that 1 hour break the highs. Ooh. Chat. We're close to break even.
All this and I'm up 2 pips.
Yeah.
3 pips. There you go.
Yeah.
Ooh,
What's your exact entry?
5-1.
Oh, 5-1. You didn't get okay.
No, I didn't get slipped at all.
Who's yesterday that said he got slipped and I was like by half a pip, by like point up a pip. A pip?
I lost $5.
Oh yeah, you. Yeah, that's
And it ended
fine.
up mattering, bro, because remember I closed at 10 and I got 485 instead of 500.
Oh, okay. My bad. You should call Traders America and ask them.
Yeah, I'm gonna call and say, can I have my $5 back? I'll probably lose it on fees anyway. on the payback.
You should call Traders America and ask them.
Oh, you gotta spam a W. I got 3 pips.
Yeah, I
Chill.
just found W for got like 3 pips there. No,
You guys are gonna jinx it.
did you break the 1 hour highs yet? 1 hour highs was 554, 554, and 553. Yeah, we did break it by like 0.001 pip.
That was chat's fault. They started spamming W and it went back to entry, bro.
Oh, gold's pushing here. Oh wow. It looks like you should see 1836 here. Nice. Wow, this level is valid here that I had marked up earlier then. We closed above it. Very valid. Yeah, that's solid. DJ, your turn.
GJ, do stuff. So early. It's only 8:15 on the spin. It's the 1 hour candle.
I think this is our earliest trade. What time is the trade taken at? 8 a.m.?
We took one yesterday around this, right? This trade was taken before that. This was like a
7:15, 7:15.
Yeah.
Like, that's insane.
Been in this trade for an hour.
Yeah.
And it's funny because every time frame every 15-20 minutes, like this was a 15-minute entry and then it was the exact same on the 30, and then we basically now we're managing on that 1 hour because we have 1 hour stops.
The initial 1 hour entry. Yeah.
Yeah. It's just been valid every time the candle closes. It keeps being valid, which is good, which is why we have a managed risk.
Yeah. If we were to manage risk like 2020, we would have like probably closed half with the 15-minute bearish candle there.
We'd be in we'd be in half, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then we'd be entering half of a half here. Remember, we were doing all that crazy stuff.
Yeah, a lot of stuff. Chat, it's
Lot of
been a long journey. This playbook here wasn't easy. This playbook took 2 years in the making.
A lot of work. A
Of
lot of try.
stream data and all that. A lot of work.
One more push here.
We're looking back. We got waiting for a 30-minute closure. I was looking at earlier, like, because the basket got activated pretty late into the 15-minute candle. It got activated at like 7:20, like 7:27 or something. Yeah. Waiting for a 30-minute would have been probably better, but looking back, it would have been the same entry. It would give us the exact same entry on the flip. So
Here we go. Pushing, and break the highs.
nothing really changes in that from that perspective, right? Hey, Grant X, appreciate it, brother. Adjust your banana shape back. Got you. What up, Mark? You in this trade, Mark? My brother.
Yes, sir.
Nice. You had a good week so far?
Yeah, super good week.
How's your story looking for you?
I'm not looking at it right now.
This GJ. Oh wow, this thing never. Yeah, this thing came close bearish yesterday. Wow. Interested.
New 15 made a bottom.
Yeah, I was gonna say this 15 closed above your chat. This 15 made a bottom, coming out to re-break that, come out flipping now. So once you break this highs here, you should see us hit the break-even mark pretty easily. A lot of volume here, though.
I hope we just like smash through 5.8 all the way up to like 6.10.
Yeah, I just want to smash like 650.
This trade, I could see it now. I'm not even trying to manifest it. Like hitting 5.8, 5.9, and then go back to entry and then go into TP. Just because of the 4-hour resistance.
It would have been better if we were on a 1 hour flip. But
1 hour flip would have been clean.
yeah, I mean, we can't really do much here.
I mean, it was valid on both, so. People who woke up later eating better. That's for sure. Go fund Reza.
Mm.
I'm gonna do JXTR style. He puts it on the right side here.
Let me see.
That's how he does it. Right side, right?
That's
Is that?
I put mine too.
I put it in the middle. I don't know why I put it in the middle.
I don't write stuff on mine though. I know you do it for stream, but
I do it for stream. Yeah, I don't really care for myself, but I do for.
yeah,
I don't get any questions.
I just change the colors of the stuff. Oh, pushing, pushing.
I have like templates, so I just change the template, then it will just automatically have the text on it.
We're saying struggling to just push the volume here.
I know. I'm surprised.
I'm very surprised. Let's see. 8:15. Next 30-minute candles is about 30 minutes or 10 minutes here.
Yeah, I mean the thing about this is with that 1 hour closure, like this bottom one could be bigger. Like it really could.
Yeah, I was expecting a way steeper wick.
So was I, which is why I'm like, this could easily flip bearish and then flip back bullish.
Yeah. It was like what? 2 pip wick?
Something like that.
What's up with gold? Gold is just kinda. I mean, gold is doing what gold is doing. It closed above the range, so yeah, we kind of drew this kind of what we expected it to drive up here. The reason why I didn't enter was because there was no bottom wick on the opening of the candle, so I wanted a bottom wick for us to drive up to the top of the range for entries. Right, entry would have been on the flip of the candle, and stop loss would have been the previous candle low. But with no bottom wick, there was just nothing for me there on gold. But I still expected it to drive up here. It's just a little lower probability with the no bottom wick. But aside from that, you should see 8:36 by the end of the stream, end of the session. For those that have been here since Monday with us on streams, you've probably seen the breakdown on Monday of this weekly GG candle. This GG candle came up this week, tap target, and this week is pretty strong. 200 pip candle this week, pretty insane.
Or above. Aggro week next week. What's it looking left? Is there traffic or?
Yeah. So next week it shows clean traffic to like 160 something, but that's just such a like 161, but that's such a like it's so far away. But yeah, that's just clean traffic though. From where is it? From 157 and 126 to like this resistance just clean. Yeah. Okay, we have 8 hours in that daily candle, so anything can happen. This candle still close bearish rate of the week. Who knows? Anything can happen. Wasn't algo week, algo day. I think we have a command for that. Algo? Yeah, we have a command for that. Algo. Thanks TT. Appreciate that. Looking good for show? Yeah. Go should drive up here. But just be careful of that bottom wick. I wouldn't enter anything here. I'll wait for the bottom wick first and then execute. Probably gonna wait for the next hourly candle though, to be honest, on gold. Unless you form a bottom wick. Then that'll be a different story. But if it comes down to it, and we don't create the bottom wick and we just close, I'll say wait for the forward candle to close in about 38 minutes here. And if the forward candle closes above this resistance, the next forward candle should drive up towards the top of the range. Mm-hmm. 30 minutes, about close in about 7 minutes here. The last 30 of the 4 hour candle. Looking lovely. Oh yeah, there's slight folder here, yellow folder. Damn.
Yellow. Was that tentative?
Nope. That was ADM. I didn't see it earlier. I guess I was too locked in onto the playbook and looking for red folders. Looks like gold's coming down, create the bottom wick here, potentially. What you want to see for gold here though is you want to see a bottom wick and you want to see this 30-minute candle close above the range like this. Look left, there's a resistance here. Right around here. So you want to see a bottom wick and you want to see a candle close like that. And that would indicate the next 30-minute candle to drop up. But we have 6 minutes for that to happen. Very rare. That's a lot to ask for. Yeah, GG struggling so much. Yeah, GG struggling here. We broke the 1 hour highs though, so it's all cleared. Everything we want, it's all kind of all cleared. There's not much I can do now on this trade, except manage risk. Might create a steeper wick here. It's really hard taking positions, swinging that gold though. I tried it earlier this week. What do you mean swinging gold?
I think it's time to follow market maker for GJ.
Market maker won't work Fridays. I'm playing. Is the highest viewers? I think so. I think we had 720 like back in July or June or something last year. 712, something like that. And I'm pretty sure we broke it, unless it was 800. But yeah, I appreciate you being here, by the way. All 750 views. Insane. Or 770. There you go. Gold came down, created a steeper bottom wick. Nothing's going on. GJ broke the 1 hour highs. It gave us a 30-minute start play. 15 closed above, and this thing came back into the break-even point.
This is where I left.
Yeah.
Really, you didn't go anywhere.
But at least when you came, I mean, yeah.
Yeah, we already reached break-even point.
Oh, angel numbers. 777 viewers. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's gonna come down to this 30-minute candle chat. If we close below 157 421 420ish on this 1 hour candle, I'm going to probably close out the position in about 30 minutes here. But if it respects that support, you want the next 1 hour candle to drive up to break the 1 hour high so you can continue up. But yeah. Next potential chance to manage risk is gonna be at 9 a.m. Gold came down. See, no bottom wick coming down now to create a steep wick. It looks like it's just gonna drive down towards 18, 20, 27 here. We warned you guys about that bottom wick, right? I think if you move your stops to the current 1 hour lows, you would have been stopped out. I don't know. Suppose I did that.
Right now, yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna come down to 4 hour candle, guys. That's what earlier I was considering using the 4 hour stops instead, because the trade here is based off the 4 hour candle. We just enter off the 1 hour. It comes down to this 4 hour candle. Comes down to this 4 hour candle. With 30 minutes left, I'll say as long as the 4 hour candle closes above 157,379, this minor resistance right around here, the next one should just be able to drive up still.
Good re-enter on the 4.
Yeah, but what's the exit plan on the 1 then?
Well, this is the one where if the 1 hour to close below,
Yeah.
you're anticipating a bottom wick on the 4 hour. You would anticipate it to break our current stop loss, but to respect the 4 hour lows and then re-enter on the flip.
Mm-hmm.
That's about it. Or just take gold sells.
Technically, the bias today on gold was initially bearish today, right? Because the daily candle is bearish though, and we didn't break the daily highs. So any given point, gold can just drive down. But looking for sells from young gold today, I'm gonna look for sells below 1821 here. You're closing here with 30-minute break of lows. Makes sense. Yeah. Chat, you guys some managers, however you want managers. Wick extension just close half or close full. I'm gonna leave it for the 1 hour stops there. I'm gonna wait for this 1 hour close, but you can manage risk however you want to manage risk. Some people probably manage risk up to 15, breaking the lows 30, but I'm gonna wait for this 1 hour because the 1 hour is very crucial how we close there.
I've just seen these rejections before.
Did you close half or close full?
No, I closed full. Closed full at the break of this previous 30. Once we flipped, broke its high, and then now coming back into range and re-breaking the lows. I don't believe we're ahead at this point.
Yeah, we're definitely not ahead after the 1 hour candle create a steeper wick.
Yes, at this point, the mindset is, would I want to be entering a trade here? Right? Probably not. I'm gonna look for it to reset up. If it comes back up, I can always get a reentry here on the hourly seller replay. It just, we need to see some closures above again, above the new range that it created. This new resistance that it's established.
What'd you do, Marcos?
I'm just chilling right now. I want to see this next 30 minute. Looks like it's about to.
Yeah.
See, here's the thing. Where I'm coming at, it's 8:30. Well, it's already just closed, right? So we closed back in range on the 30, right?
Mm-hmm.
I would expect this next 30 to make a top wick and come to 157.20, 157.30.
Oh yeah, there it is. 30-minute candle close below, chat. Yeah, 30-minute candle close below.
That was gonna be my initial close, my initial risk management. But once we broke the highs and then came back down, re-broke the lows back into range, it was kind of obvious we're gonna close here. There wasn't enough time to go anywhere.
Yeah, it was like what, 2 minutes left for the 30? Yeah.
Yeah, after reflip.
Yeah, you guys could manage risk however you want to manage risk. Some people might close full here on a 30. In probably last year, the year before, I probably would have closed half by now at this point. But again, I took this trade off of the 4 hour and the 1 hour, and I'm putting my trust to the 1 hour candle. As long as the 1 hour respects the lows, should be fine. Although now you gotta accept the fact though that it's a much lower probability we drive up because of the 30-minute candle closing back in the range. You just gotta accept that. You can't have that ego saying, "Oh, price got a flip," or "price got a flip" because you're in a position. Because the markets don't care about what position you're in, right? Markets will do whatever they want to do, so you just accept it for what it is. And yeah, stay true to your plan though. And for me, lower probability with the fact that we close below on a 30 here, but 1 hour still respecting the lows, therefore trade is still valid, although we're in a much lower probability right now. Does that make sense? So again, I never really manage risk off of impulsive decisions. Like, even that decision that Wickstein made there, it was a pretty good decision to make. It wasn't nothing impulsive. There's a lot of facts behind it. There was the fact that we closed bearish on 30.
Just following my plan.
Yeah. Broke the lows. With 2 minutes left in the 30. Supposed to be the first loss of the month. Yeah, first loss of the month with the most viewers. That's lame. That's lame. It chooses a day where everyone comes.
Because we built up the viewers. You know, we smacked this entire motherfucking undefeated, never lost.
Undefeated.
Yo, undefeated. People are like, they never lost. I'm going in there. And then the day everyone shows up. Oh,
Yeah.
You know what this? You know whose fault this is? It's just chat for saying W's when we were like 3 pips in profit. The market makers are watching the chat, man. They're like, "Oh, look at all these W's, L."
we might still flip her. Who knows?
Yeah.
We might still flip her. Who knows?
Yeah.
But that 4 candle, I'm really surprised by the 4-hour candle.
Yeah.
I'm very surprised 4 candle didn't just drive up with the 80 in volume 2.
Didn't drive up yet. The next 4-hour has a lot of potential.
Yeah,
Depending how it
but
closed here.
like, look at a 4. I don't know. It's not close. It's not close. Doji or bearish maybe. Like, would that maybe make sense though? I'm guessing now. There's a resistance here. We gotta close above that resistance now.
That's what I was saying. I need for my next position. I need some highs to be broken and closes above the new resistance that we just made.
Is it a trouble child? Not really. You can't just say a trouble child to take one loss, you know.
It's nothing different about this loss. It's so hard. Like, people complain about a loss instead of being happy they were in a position. I mean, I can see how it's tough being happy being in a losing position, but it's not a losing position if you take it 1,000 times and it wins 800. You weren't in a losing position.
And the win should about to come to an end here once you break these lows here. Looks like we may get stopped out here, chat. Looks like the 1 hour may come down to break the lows and may get stopped out. Unless you respect it.
Yep. Now we have that back in that 1 hour range. It's like Wick said, if we want re-entries, we need to break out of those newly formed resistance points.
Which is very unlikely now. Considering it's gonna be 9 AM here. This 4 count closes below that resistance. We're back in the range on a 1 hour. We may just range in this area for the whole entire session.
Yeah, it's late Friday.
We got this weird thing. It's called gold. It's very strange.
What's that?
You should check it out.
Gold to 4 is looking solid. 24 minutes for a closure.
Never heard of it.
You know what's funny? That was the first shirt this week off of the 30. First for the month.
15. We took the 15.
Oh yeah, it was a 15. It wasn't there. It was a 15.
What did I say? What did I say yesterday on stream?
First one off the 15 in like this year, I think.
Yeah, it was here. I was like, I guarantee if we take a loss, it'll be under 1 hour. Under.
But
you
can't. Let me just put trade taken. Yeah, chat. We got stopped out there for 18 pips there. So GJ buys first loss of the month. Tough. GJ buys negative 18 pips. Where's the spreadsheet? Negative 18. Oh wow, that's crazy. Range close 50, range close full. Negative 18. Then close partials. Okay. There we go. Yeah. Marcos jinxed it. You know, but the thing is, like, we took it off the 15 initially, but if you look at it again, it could have been a 30 minute entry. Technically it was, or you can say it was yeah, I mean 30 minute could have been an entry too, because we had the exact same entry as the 30 minute closure. Could have been 30 minute start play. So now I'm going to remark my zones, chat. So now you want to move your resistance up towards probably this resistor at 157.512 here. And if you get a closure above there, you should be good to drive up towards 157.980 here. But very high chance that we may just range because of the 4 hour count here closing bearish here for the rest of the session. Was that range 2 fake out? I don't want to say range 1 or range 2. I think it was just I guess it was range 2 fake out if you think of it that way. Yeah, range 1 is down here, range 2 is up here. Came back into the range, broke the lows. It's okay. We had the playbook come today. Something to look forward to.
I still like gold subs. It's 4 hours gonna close below.
No, if we would enter in a 1 hour flip, then we would avoid this loss. You could say that. Yeah, I was looking at that earlier. I was looking at if we entered off the 1 hour candle instead, we would have been break even by the time we broke the highs, which is like 8-9% profit. We wouldn't have gotten 10. We probably would have got like 8 or something, but I don't think I would have closed. I think we just moved out to break even, called it. Yeah. Yeah, I guess the 1 hour, but the 15 was nice too. The 15 was fine. It was if you go back to it, this is like the first time we closed above in the 15. If you block all this out, so it was fine. It would have been different though, if the 15-minute time frame closed above before in the past and then it came back down before. I wouldn't have taken it. But since this is the first time 15 has closed above, it was valid for buys. And 30 was valid too. I guess the 1 hour was only time for. I mean, the 1 hour is valid, but that wasn't our entry, right? What a muddy trade. Yeah, everything's saying bias. Yeah, bias is bullish. 4 hours bullish. Everything was clean. Surprised. I'm very surprised, actually. Anyways, playbook today, chat. Come in probably like after the stream or like a couple hours after the stream. You know, so just gonna make some edits, but this is it. This is what's on it. Starter play, the onion play, the difference between set versus entries. Set up breakout 1, small wick, super wick, breakout plus starter play. Set up 2, fake out, small wick, super wick, fake out. Set up 3, onion, small wick, and all that. Don was dropping. This up over and over again just goes to show that never over leverage more than what you plan to lose for a day. Exactly. Chat, like this trade is no different. Like go back on my IG stories or my IG pages. It was just a breakout. That's it. It was the breakout. And like if you look at the IG pages, like what are the breakouts we have on our trades that we won in the past? So many. Like this for instance. So no, that wasn't a breakout. What's a breakout? This for instance, this is a breakout, right? This is the same trade we took today. 1 hour close above, took on a break of the highs, TP stop loss, same areas. This is a breakout for sells, right? No different in the trade today. Yeah. What up, Reza? What up, Reza? How you doing? Huge appreciation for the playbook. Free. Most gurus would charge a couple hundred for a playbook full of shit, but it's gonna be a full gold. Yeah, because we have live data to prove it too. That's the thing. That's the difference with our playbook, and it's free. Yeah, on top of that, it's all free. I could easily charge like, I don't know, like a good $50 or something for the playbook or more, but it's free. Just gonna give it out. Oh, the record for the year. I gotta change that. Record is 4-1. And for the month, yearly, it's 9-2-4.
No worries. I want a solo in Fortnite. Damn, that made me want to play Fortnite.
Good morning. Good morning.
What up, Reza?
GM,
How you
GM.
doing?
How you doing?
Not bad. Not bad. How you doing?
Doing fine. You know, just took
Yeah,
a.
Dot.
What's up?
You know how you added the pip counter yesterday?
Yeah.
I just remembered how like every time we want to add something, we'd have to go back and add it to all like 13 sheets
When we had the pick counter yesterday, where?
on the February scroll, right?
Oh.
Yeah, the pip counter. We gotta add that to everything now.
But there's a bunch of you guys. You guys can just do it into. 2 sheets.
Yeah, we got it. I was just saying.
I
Alright.
thought you
What's
was
up,
doing
man?
this
How
the
are you?
whole time we were trading. I thought you were over there on Excel, just moving shit around.
Have Bill Belichick playbook. What's gold doing? Chat, just if you're looking at gold today, just wait for this forward candle to close, okay? Very crucial here. Look left on the forward candle. Look at where you have resistance on a 4 hour, and look at where you got to close for us to continue up. This is just a range form now on a 4 hour, and you need a closure above here.
This is crucial. We need this in the next 17 minutes, or it's gonna be have a good weekend.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. It's gonna be have a good weekend. Enjoy the playbook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Enjoy the playbook. I like gold. I like gold here. You guys don't like gold cells?
Probably not until you close below like 825.
Yeah, 1825, 1826. Daily bias is still bearish. Broke the lows, respected the highs.
Thing about me is that I wouldn't mind calling it a day here, like, or a week.
That's true.
Like I'm not too locked into a point where like I need to take a trade. Like there's no reason. But I can also see where it come from in terms of the sells because we're at bearish for a day. But I don't know,
Bearish is
man.
bias.
Yeah. I need this to break probably first.
The bearish is bias.
The bearish is bias.
Yo, I hate when the daily and like the 4 hour don't match.
The 4 and the daily. Why? Is it? Wait, did you take did you have this or no?
I took it off the 15, so I got stopped at like.
Break
real
even?
soon. No. I didn't take. I took it like I think a little bit earlier.
I think we
I got a loss on it. I got a loss on it. I'm not break even.
overall good trade.
Yeah, it was still a valid trade.
If you're looking at gold cells, the 4 hour and the daily would match because your cells would be below 1825. And in that case, it'd either be a 4 hour seller or this current 4 hour would have to flip bearish. So in the event
Yeah,
that you
I'm
buy-
with you on that. I meant like for example, starting the day, we had a 4 hour support form, but the daily was bearish, you know?
Yeah, which is why
Like, that's what I don't like.
that's why we avoided gold all day.
Why Forex Volume has no volume from now to February? What do you mean it is February? We're in February, we're not? Yeah, chat, word of the day, chat? Should you do it, Marcos?
Yeah, Wordle. I have to close chat first. Hold on.
Yeah, let me close chat real quick. Chat, we're gonna do a Wordle, don't ruin it. If you ruin it, my mom's most likely gonna ban you or something. Let me just put this Discord here. Cover a chat up. Alright, I'll cover a chat up. Alright. Word of the day.
Trade.
Trade.
Put tears.
Tears.
Let's put tears. Okay.
Yeah.
There's no A. Okay, no A. Alright, can't be that word.
Broke. Right, broke. That's like not bad.
Broke. Tears and broke. Nice guesses.
The theme.
Okay, so the E and R are not there, and there's no E there, which makes it there's an E here, here. The first, third, or fourth letter would be an E, and the R would be the first or second.
Was it a buy or
fifth.
sell? Buy or sell?
Damn. R at the end, maybe.
Yo, Mark, look at your dog. I was looking at the corner. It says dog just on him.
This guy wants to make his streaming debut, bro. Not everyone.
Like, yo, they know about me?
Yeah,
They know about me?
yo, is your dog clingy?
It's super.
That's how. I feel I'm brain dead right now. I think I'm brain dead right now. Like I really feel like I'm brain dead.
Oh, 4-hour salary on gold. Oh no, not 4-hour salary, 4-hour flip.
Yeah.
Daily
Interesting.
flip.
Interesting.
Oh, yeah.
Interesting. Hmm. Is it hard to the chat? I can't even read chat.
Good.
It doesn't look that hard.
I'm thinking like a M. Major? No, no A.
No A. No A, no O. We
What?
major. We major. No.
It means-
No, it's not A in head.
No Spanish?
It might start with an R, but or it might, yeah.
Try like R.
It might start with an R, or it might ends in the ER.
R-I. Try like do it slowly, like R-I, and then there's maybe rinse. No, it can't end with an E, or it doesn't have an S.
I think it ends in the ER. Let's see.
Rider. R-I-D-E-R.
Huh?
R-I-D-E-R. Rider. Could that work? E-R. That's possible, right?
Either ER. Okay, it ends in the ER. Okay.
Wait,
Rider.
what? Oh,
And
okay. Rider. Can't be rider, so.
this should be easy now.
Viper? No, there's no I. And there's no O. And there's no A. So there must be another E, right? Or U.
There could be multiple. Like there could be an E and an R here again, but I mean, yeah, it could be E here again.
EU.
But I doubt it because it can't be a two E's and R. I don't know.
Power?
It's gotta be.
No, there's no O. There's no O.
It's gotta be U. Something U, no? Runner?
Too many.
No, alright, no, I have runner, yeah. Nothing.
There's no E second either, remember? So yeah, it has to be a U. Or it could be, yeah.
Yeah, it has to be a U second word. Let's see. Okay, gunners. Can be career. It's 2 R's. Not enough.
It could start with an E, right? And it could start with a U. It could start with a vowel.
It can start with an E, yeah. Can't be yeah, eater.
Pupper. That's not a word.
Yeah, not a word.
Pepper.
Pepper?
No, it's 2 P's and pepper.
Can be pepper. Leper. Shit. It's not that hard. But the only way it'll be hard is if you get
It could also be IER. It could end like peer, but more letters.
It's only if you only if you have like a duplicate of ER in these first 3 letters there.
Elder.
But if it is, if it is, then it'll have to be these 2 letters there.
Damn, I thought it was gonna be elder. That would have been good. PLYER, plier. How do you spell plier?
YR.
Plier. Do you know how to spell plier? Is it YER? PLYER.
No.
That's not how you spell pliers.
No.
Fudge.
It's L, brother. I.
PL.
I. There's no I.
Apply.
There's no I.
There could be a Y if it, like a plier. I don't know how to spell plier.
Come on.
Oh, flyer. FLY. Flyer.
Oh.
There you go.
Yeah. Right.
Good.
ER.
So is it not plier?
No, because the Y, there's no Y.
There's no. Oh, there's
That's
no
an
Y.
I.
So you.
Oh.
There's no
Wait,
I or Y.
What the hell is gonna be
Okay,
there?
so it's easy then. Just put words together.
It could be a E or a U.
PLE. Oh, fleer. Oh, no, it's not fleer.
F. What?
Wait. It could be EER, like EER.
Oh yeah.
Tier.
Clear. Oh, wait, no, that's not.
No.
No S, there's no T.
Fluor? Is there a UER word? I don't know any UER words. Alter. No, there's no A.
Ulcer. C. Is there a C?
This one's hard. Might be easy. I don't know. I feel like it starts with a U. Like
I think this is a word that's not common at all.
ulnar. No, ulnar has an A because that's in your thumb. I think ulnar. Oh, gluer. GLU. Gluer, right? That's a word.
No, don't waste it on that.
But what if that's A? We want to know if there's a G or a U.
Bro, I think it's a hard one today.
Yeah, do gluer. Come on.
Gluer?
Yeah, that's a word. One who glues. Come
Why don't you
on.
just buy a vowel? We're just
Don't roast me.
basically
Don't
taking
roast
the U out of it.
Bro.
We're taking the U out of it.
We're gonna take the U out of it. That's huge.
Marcos just said one who glues.
Yeah. Come on, gluer's a word. You know what? I'm sick of you guys. If that's right, I hope chat's just vibing.
Is that Webster's definition?
Chat's probably riding out for me because I already said it right. Nah, gluer is a word.
I think that's such a waste of a guess, brother.
What do you mean? You get to guess the U in the middle. That's a good one. We haven't even guessed the U.
Wanna do it?
I don't see anyone else with better ideas. You frauds.
Oh my god, bruh.
Shut the
It's a
fuck up.
UL, so it's
Bruh.
UL.
Yo, ban him. He's banned.
What else is there? PL,
No, it starts with a U. It
Fluor.
starts
No, slow down. You're
It's
going.
UL and then ER. We have to put one letter, guys. One letter.
Can't be
Is it
V.
all-
It's gotta be U, bro. It's gotta be.
No.
Cause what else would be P?
It could be N. Ulnar, right? Ulnar's a word. What other word is there? I said ulnar already.
What is this anyways though?
That's not a word. Ulnar. I thought it had an A in ulnar, but ulnar means something, right? So where's my science guys? Mark, do something. just standing there muted, just watching us struggle.
It has to be honor, right? It has to be honor.
I have no clue, bro.
What else could it be?
Yeah, cause there's no U here. Yeah, there's no U here. It has to be honor. Yeah.
That's a do something.
Unless it's 2 E's. It's like S.
Uller, like ULL. It could be ULL.
It's out of
Uller.
this. No, so which one?
Is LLER a word? Yeller? I feel like Ulmer sounds the most like a word.
Alright, I'm going for it. Oh, not a word. It's not a word. It's not a word. It's not a word. It's not a word. Okay, okay.
What could it be? I don't even know these words. This is past my IQ. I'm like far left curve IQ.
Almer? Maybe it's Almer.
Ulmer? Like Elmer's glue?
Oh, you though. That could be Almer. Like I
Not a
don't.
word.
Yeah. But what's show, right? Or show if it's not a word or not.
I don't
It's
know.
gotta be something like
What the hell is a Ulier?
the Ulier.
I'm annoyed that it's a word that we don't know because that makes it stupid. Ulger. Ulver with a V. It could be a V.
That's not a word, right?
Ulcer. Paul says ulcer with a C.
That's not ulcer.
Try C. Is that a word?
It's a word. You get an ulcer, but it's not a
This is not a word, Ulier.
Ulier. No.
I do ulcer.
think
That's the
Ulier's
last
a word.
chance. Ulcer is our
I
last
don't know what
chance.
the hell.
Ulcer.
What the hell is an ulcer?
Oh, let's go. What is an ulcer? What is an ulcer?
Yo, I said this 3 tries ago.
But what is an ulcer?
It's in your mouth or some shit.
Oh
Yes,
my
sir.
god.
Wordle.
That was
No,
hard. That was a hard one. Not gonna lie.
I hate when it's a word that I don't know because then it's like, how was I supposed to guess that?
You see, chat? They treat me like the redheaded stepchild. They completely ignore my correct answers.
The chat guesses are so funny. Someone said lerps.
Jeez.
Lerps. Uncle.
4-hour closing. In a
Yeah,
month.
No, I ignored Wixnine because I never heard of that. I've what's an ulcer? It's not in my regular vocabulary.
Yeah, ulcer, guys. You can't even get mad at that one. No one knows what ulcer is.
I don't know what an ulcer is. What causes an ulcer?
No, I've heard ulcer way more than gluer.
That's cap.
Yeah,
I've never in my life heard
What
anyone
do you?
say.
Did you not pass 5th grade? You don't know what a gluer is? Come
I
on.
didn't think it's a thing. Like,
One who glues.
apparently. Yeah.
The gluer.
What do you guys think of the 4-hour
We
closing?
would have saved ourselves 2 tries.
That's the worst wordle yet. That was the worst wordle yet. Oh man, Marcos, your business degree ain't paying off, brother.
What does that have to do with business, bro? It's in your mouth.
Yeah, negotiate letters, brother.
Where's the biology degree, people?
I had it. I think I had it earlier, but I wasn't like too sure on it.
I was thinking of like
Sorry.
ulnar. Ulnar is with an A though.
4-hour closing.
Yeah. 4-hour close there, guys. Pretty tough position to be in though. We close right at resistance here, so there's a very slight chance this forward candle will drive up. I know people are looking towards the wick fill, but there's a resistance here that we really need to close above, and it looks like price closed respecting that resistance. So at any given point, we can just be stuck in this range for the whole entire session here. But if you do want buys and you're looking forward to that, I mean, you could say one thing though. You could say the 1 hour close respecting the support, and since the 1 hour close respecting that support, there's a still slight chance that price may reject to continue up. I believe what you need here though is you're gonna need this 30-minute candle to close bullish here at support. Once we close bullish here like this next candle should be able to drive up to the top of the range and then eventually continue further up, right? But I'll wait for this candle to close first after the lower wick is being created here for the new forward candle. Most likely it'll be off this 30-minute candle. But yes, new forward candle, so we expect a steeper bottom wick to be created before we actually drive up. I don't think that's good enough, that lower wick right there. And then for GJ, well, GJ, you know, I think GJ I can call it a day because you didn't close above this resistance right here. You closed a little below it, respecting that resistance. So pretty tough position to be in for GJ, to be honest. Like, this isn't the best. These aren't the best trading conditions here at all. Probably gonna wait till Monday to take more positions on GJ. Gold, there's might be a slight chance to drive, but I don't know, chat. It's a Friday. Like, we had a 100% week or 80% week now. it's a good week for the most part. You know, no need to force any positions. No need to make back our losses. Just continue on and enjoy the weekend. Enjoy the Super Bowl. Enjoy the playbook, and then come back Monday fresh, brand new week. February just started. You know, don't worry. And pretty sure there's more positions to take later on.
See you Monday.
Wait, Don, are you calling it or are you waiting?
Oh, playbook. I don't know. Like, I'm gonna call it. Like, I'll be on stream if you guys want to chill, but I don't know if I'm taking any positions though. Like, I'm done.
Fair enough.
Like, I don't know. It's just tough. This
Yo,
4 hour
everyone's
on
asking
gold.
for the playbook.
Yeah, the playbook.
You wanna drop it link on your IG?
No, it's not gonna be a link. It's gonna be on my website. It's gonna be at controlfx.com. Okay, there's a playbook section. Right here. Go over to controlfx.com. Go to playbook. It'll be over here later on. Not sure what time yet, but I gotta edit a couple things, fix some mistakes in grammar, and minor things I wanted to add. And yo, by the way, you guys wanna stay on Zoom after? We can discuss it for like a quick 5-10 minutes.
Yeah, play some Fortnite.
What are we discussing?
The playbook, like what I can add to it, or like anything extra you guys like may think we should add, or if it's fine.
Pictures.
Just to reread it.
Wait, Marcos,
There
I'm down
are
with
pictures.
Fortnite.
There are plenty of pictures.
Selfies.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, like we'll update the
We
playbook.
should.
Yeah, chat. It'll be out today. Don't worry, it'll be out today. I'm just gonna send it to Cake after, and then he'll edit it. He'll send it back, and then it'll be my website. There'll be a PDF link to download it for free, no charge. And yeah. All right. Other than that, guys. Unfortunately, today was the first day of the week with the loss, or the month.
Thank you. I'll see you Mondays.
Yeah, brother. Appreciate the chat. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the Super Bowl. Yeah, by the way, who do you guys got bets on for the Super Bowl?
Rams.
Don't watch the Super Bowl.
Everyone's going with the Rams. You guys seen that the truck drivers blocking the area?
Oh yeah, I seen that.
Yeah, from Toronto.
It's insane.
Bengals. It's in LA, right? It's in Los Angeles.
Yeah, it's a home game. Rams are stacked.
Odo's first ring.
All the Joe Burrow fanboys want Joe Burrow to win, but I want Odell to win. So go Rams.
Who's performing? Kendrick Lamar, right?
There are people.
I think it's Snoop
There are
Dogg.
artists.
Kendrick Lamar. It's
Dude, you know what's insane?
what?
When Wix did his handstand, he started jumping around on one hand. That was nuts. That was
So
nuts.
random.
Yeah. I've been getting better at my handstands. Like, that's crazy. You know, I'm goddamn like, oh man.
Oh yeah, the Super Bowl is Snoop Dogg. I guarantee you the Super Bowl, there's gonna be two things. There's gonna be an NFT commercial, and there's gonna be probably an NFT promotion at the halftime show.
Yeah, crypto.com, right? For sure.
Yeah.
Crypto.com
Maybe a
for
whole
sure.
bunch of- Maybe a whole bunch of crypto NFT commercials and shit like that. Just be aware.
How much are they paying?
Oh, millions. I mean, it might be priced in, but be aware of that pump if you want to make money this weekend. That pump.
Yeah.
Could be priced in though.
Do we know who's gonna be dropping the commercial? Like, which project?
No.
That would have been.
That's too easy. It would already be priced in if we knew.
Yeah.
Damn, so they paid millions to promote. Yo, imagine like you see like strawberry WTF on the Super Bowl commercial.
It's probably gonna be Bored Ape and then like
Yeah.
FTX platform and like maybe like a Zuki or something. That was the rumor.
Zuki, holy shit.
Have you been hearing about Invisifriends or whatever? Invisifriends?
Yeah, I'm just kind of chilling right now. I'm just letting. There's not much liquidity in the market. Everyone's vibing. Is Eminem performing?
Eminem, Snoop, and Lads with their Bored Apes.
Here in 6 months.
You know, Jake Paul, Logan Paul's probably gonna be on stage.
Why?
You know what?
That shows them.
He just gets up for the halftime, just so shadow boxing. Hilarious.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
There's nothing to perform.
I'm a Pats fan. Let's make that clear.
All right, chat. Have a great day. Don't over trade. Don't over leverage. Just call it a day. Just relax. It's the last day. Call it a day and just continue on Monday. All right. See you guys Monday. Peace out. Have a great day. Yo, by the way, stay in the Zoom after. We're gonna discuss the thing if you guys want.
Bet.
Peace out, chat. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Where's that?
All right, boys. I gotta go walk the kid.
Yeah, bro.